This is my 1999 Z28 Camaro. It's got 102,000 miles on it. It's my daily driver. It's a 6-speed car. I'm parting it out. The engine and the body will be for sale, as well as several other things. But I'm going to start it for you and let you know it's running good. Walk around. Come back over here. Completely stock. No ticks, no smoke. The exhaust is dumped up under the car because I've removed it out of the back of the Y pipe. And show you the oil pressure, and I'm going to let it heat up for a few minutes and give you a few revs. Come back in a few minutes. Okay, we've given it a few minutes to warm up. I'm going to rev it, show you there's nothing wrong, no weird noises, ticks, or anything. Side of the car. Runs perfect. Everything will be for sale.